Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohsin and welcome to my show. So this will be episode 0 of this show. I'll be introducing a little bit about myself and also the plans I have for this show. So let's get started. So this is a personal project of mine. I've always wanted to do my own podcast show because I listen to a lot of podcasts and I think they are interesting. I've tried to do YouTube once, but as soon as the camera turns on, I get nervous. I immediately forget what things I wanted to talk about, and I also don't like the face I do when I'm talking, and having people saying that makes me uncomfortable. So yeah, podcast is probably the best choice I have to explore content creation and also recording. There's still a lot I'm trying to figure out with the whole podcasting thing in learning design, but yeah, I'm exploring the field of design since 2020 when I joined my current company as a management trainee. So in the trainee program, they had this job rotation, and which they will send you off to different departments to learn different aspects of the business for 3 months each. And one of the departments that they sent me to was in the design department. So back then, I had no idea how to contribute. I had fully accepted that I will be just doing filing and stuff at the design department. But turns out there's a whole field called design psychology, where psychologists can help designers understand the users of their design, like like for example, when they design products, how will the users or the humans, the customers, interact with it, how they will behave or how they will think about it, how they will decide on which products to buy, for example. So it's a very interesting field, and I've been learning a lot for the past 2 years. And yeah, so that's basically the things I plan to share with you guys here on the show. So in this show, we'll be looking into psychological theories of how humans behave or how humans think, and apply that into designs, and we'll look into like real life examples, some products that we have on the market and things like that. And also I'll be taking from my own experience how I apply those theories inside my own projects. So I hope to be learning together with you guys, and I think other designers or perhaps psychology graduates out there who intend to work in design like myself can benefit from. And yeah, I really hope to promote this design psychology field here in Malaysia, because definitely when I was studying in my university, I was not exposed at all that this could be a viable career for psychology graduates. And in my line of work, when I talk to designers about this stuff, they find it very interesting, because it's been quite hard for designers to assume how customers will relate to their own products or the experience that they design. So yeah, I think that's about it for this episode. I've talked about a little bit about myself, my background, and also the plans I have for this show. In terms of its structure, I think I only plan to do short episodes, like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and this will be a pilot season. Let's call it season. I plan to do a short season, like 5 episodes maybe, like just to like get a hang of it. Maybe we'll see where we'll go after that. I'm still figuring out whether I can do this stuff as well. So yeah, we'll see. So hoping for the best. And yeah, I think that's about it for this episode. I've talked about the content, I've talked about the structure, and for a teaser of the first ever episode, I'll be talking about why we like to be certain places. Like when we go in, like for example, some cafes, we go in and we say, well, this is a nice place to be in, and we probably spend our time there like hours, like reading or just chilling. But there are the places that we go and we immediately think about going back home. We just think about getting out of that place because it makes us so uncomfortable. So there's actually a theory that could explain that, and we'll also look into how designers can understand why users feel that way and maybe manipulate the experience to make it better for their goals. Yeah, that's about it. I hope to see you guys again in the next episode, and until then, stay safe and take care, everyone.